Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video I will once again run a free binary option robot called Alpha 1 Trader. This one works worldwide. You can have this robot completely for free. Just push the link you see up here now or the link you see below the video. This robot basically trades exactly the same way I do. For the last time I will run it together with the RSI indicator. The reason I do that, not indicator but RSI robot, I will run two robots. The reason I do that is more to show you how good our robot is compared with other robots. And if I get very scary with the RSI, I will cut it completely. But the thing is, for the future I will only run our own robot and rather speed up the video, so because it takes longer time, because it's he don't take so many trades because the trades need to be perfect to enter. That's why that robot is amazing. Basically what I'm building up is a 24/7 robot. That's what I'm going for. So in the further case of the videos I will 2x, 4x, whatever needed, so we can get watchable videos about trading in the future using our only robot that we're going to use from now on. But for the case of this video, I will once again show together with another indicator robot, we can say, so you can see how it's working. Okay, so not enough of talking, let's start up the robots and let's see how we do today. And just like that, we made another $60. You did see me turn off this one first. The thing is, from now on I will run without RSI because RSI is not a so good indicator for binary options. So we are going to stay with our main robot. Even though give less trades, we will have longer trades, and for my case of my videos I will rather speed up the timers to go faster. But for now we are not going to run this more because we see that it's not safe to run this one. So we stay with the one we know it's good. So like I said in the start of the video, if you want this robot, you can have it completely for free. Link below the video. So what are you waiting for? Have a perfect day.